Source at 5:30.
She wasn't allowed to speak to anybody without her mom's permission.
A grandmother's testimony. Lynn McAnulty describes the treatment, the signs of abuse that she observed months before Jeanette Maples was killed. Thank you for joining us tonight for News Source 16 at 5:30. I'm Matt Templeman.
And I'm Renee McCullough. Day 3 of the Angela McAnulty sentencing trial. And today her mother-in-law took the stand, giving us an inside look of the treatment that 15-year-old Jeanette Maples suffered before she died.
News Source 16's Megan Higgins is in court today. She joins us in the studio now with our top story. Megan?
Matt, Renee, Lynn McAnulty told the jury today Angela rarely hugged or showed any kind of affection towards 15-year-old Jeanette and always seemed more partial to her younger daughter, Patience. She says the family always spent the holidays together, but in early 2009, things changed. Angela began to cut ties, wouldn't let the grandparents visit the kids, and only allowed them to talk on the phone when she was present. She says at the end of summer 2009, the family moved to a home in Santa Clara. Lynn says she helped the family move, but says Angela was very cold towards her. Lynn says during the move, Jeanette was made to sit in the corner because she was being punished. She says she was finally allowed to kiss and hug the teen and right away noticed something was wrong.
She was so skinny that she didn't have anything on her. She was just skinny, and she just looked worn out for a 15-year-old.
Lynn says she told her son Jeanette needed to see a doctor, and later she says Angela used the excuse that her daughter had the H1N1 flu. Now, Lynn McAnulty also admitted to the jury she called DHS on her son and daughter-in-law several times in early fall. In the studio, I'm Megan Higgins, News Source 16.